Kajuai Polytechnic, Kawai Nagi Jaka Pule Gablas Dang Nadu Usnam Arah Jariway, Lingba Lightly Department, Bakantop Yaka Architectural Assistantship, Ka Automobile Engineering, but Costume Design and Garment Technology, Mentaka Kanti Kadikasian Company Kong Yaki Samla Pule Bakin Yotla, Banpan Pau Perthay Yaki Sapki Pong Jonki, Bakla Yot Jingkai, Nakane Jaka Pule, Lakalong Haur Kompanwan Dori Ki Jan, Yaki Sopti, Ki Yinki Sem, Ki Kali Saushaka, Ki Arsaka, Ki Tiar Babun Jat, Bat Kiway. Kakong DV Lyngdoh, ka Additional Deputy Commissioner Joko West Giant Hills District, Kapalawan Saki, Kum Kakong San Hakanigaski, Kalayaro Eka Jing Start, Jing Shampang Gi Samla Puli, Bat Kalapan Paru, Bakam Shamla Poi Perkat Ban Yoi, Kat Kini Gijing Itanat bagi Samla Puli Kila, Ban Shna Penwandur.
He himself, he's like, surprised and shocked to see the ability of the student here. So much. You have 3 departments here in Polytechnic. So it's really great to see such a beautiful thing and innovative work taken up by the student. I think the credit, first of all, we shouldn't forget. It goes to the faculty, right? To the team, to the teachers who guide the student in every steps, in every way, in every step that they take. They're always there to guide them, to help them, to impart them with whatever possible knowledge. So we should thank the faculty team for this, and most importantly, the student who are a part of this creation. When I look at the costume department, it's just so great. I've seen all these in the boutique, like you don't expect to see this thing, to see all these in an institution done by our young students, which is really, really great. I'm like amazed. So really, thank you for this. Then also, I haven't go to the exhibition yet, so yet to see what you all are showcasing it. Anyway, just a few encouraging words from my side. Always believe in learning more. There's no end to knowledge. There's no end to learning. There's no end to achievements. Okay? As a student, you learn even from a young boy or a girl. If you want to learn, you can even learn from a young boy or a girl. So, learning, there is no limit to learning. As you move, as you step forward, you'll find that you learn more and more. So, yes, I've seen your creativity. Keep it up. Learn more. Move out of your box. Okay? And then you should have the ability to communicate more, have the ability to learn more, have the ability to, to ask good questions. Being a student in the class, alright? You should have these abilities. These are some of the points that which will lead you forward. You need to learn. You need to learn and learn. Hard work is important. And another important point which I want to share here, it's teamwork. Teamwork is very important. You are in this, like the costume, okay? Then you have the automobile engineering, right? Then you also have the architecture here. So teamwork will help you. Innovation is what you need nowadays. We really need that. And as a student in today's world, you know that today's world we are like highly interconnected. It's not that highly interconnected. So it's not difficult for us to learn or to get knowledge. So an important thing is you need to, focus. You need to have patience, and hard work is very, very important.
Habakran bat principal kani keslam jinghikai uba SP basayomaj ulay thu bahadian bauli i jing start jing shampang ki samla puli lengba ki project bagi jule hamban balokot ki semester jongki kalau pen ketik jing mod bau hap ban lei e khnang ban pen pau perthai ya kasap ki samla puli.
So si hangi po joy polytechnic ni ki dan kini ki likely department architecture, assistantship, automobile engineering but costume design. Ngawan hari principal in 2018. Then immediately after that, few years kawan lockdown. Okay, we face problem with that. But idang yo in class 21, 22. They didn't gini ki project jo kena ke baki shelle ki end semester le ki project jo ki. They from that time ka sedang ban strike ke jemut my mind that I have to do something. Especially like aku akan expose ini sabar mo hapo hani district even throughout the state namun bagi there are so many students, so many of our good students ki bedan ka potential dan ba guide iki baginuan banship admission ni some of them they landed up aki school ni college ke ba ki babi hedin te balik join itu they na tahu bagas pelongi bagi perkan akan kelas academic meeting kawan nangai bagi ko akan done ni exhibition where we want to invite more people from I mean participants, invitees from outside Nabar. Jadi hello kita kan orang kabangi ni go exhibition. Bagi itu main objective of this exhibition kade to showcase their talent, the potential, the abilities jong ki kena ke. That is the main objective. And not only that, kade kata ban advertise stage ki kena aru ibam tip kan ibam tip. See, many of actually they didn't even know bakanik polytechnic kadan hangne that we are imparting this kind of training education. Dan ni kipamut pa polytechnic like kamlong hapo even dia diploma. But here we are offering a 3-year diploma course. Gidan kini jinghikai ke faculty, is a top second architecture very competent. Really my labnong ka ujunga ka din nam takin kay kiblashin ta ka joke. The main gani kata hai. Okay, Miss.
The aim for excellence actually. Kisin balaong berkedam punya exhibition buat kikuat ban competition kan.
Aim for excellence.
Kata penting kata jeng tebet jengki ya. Nomor apa kelas di long kile kidan ki baca itu ya kata nyemla bangin ong bakam long kita. Andre kisin ba ong kadang ke exhibition ki try it for perfection kan. Nang bagai ego bagi video kin pet kin yo jeng ero aga jeng long kena ki semua tu nak ban syairo. Lagi syairo they do better, they work better also. Kisah motivate kan kita right word. They get motivated.
What we learn actually as a principal, maybe as the faculty kalamba, we have to expose the potential of the students. The more we expose, the better we'll get from them. That is, I think, the result that we get from this exhibition. In those first few years, the enrollment is very poor. Maybe because of like we have to shift more from one place to another place. They don't know much about the polytechnic. Even enrollment, ni bagi kena kawan banship admission kan, kawan increase many folds. They think kalau we are finding very difficult even ban regret ikit jadi malai nambah seat kalau kadi 30 seats. Dan lagi nak susu bagi kena kinuan ban imong ban enroll kinuan ban yelek ban yo seat hang ni kan. They kena bagi nak kami susu ki good students kan.